Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to only see friends' posts on Facebook. So if you want to keep your feed clean and focused, stick around, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Step 2, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials to get started. Step 3, next, look for the 3 horizontal lines icon. You'll find it in the top right corner of your screen, but if you're using an iPhone, it's in the bottom right corner. Step 4, tap on that 3-line icon to open the menu. Step 5, scroll down in the menu until you find and tap on Feeds. Step 6, once you're in the Feeds section, tap on Friends. Step 7, now your Newsfeed will update and you'll only see posts from your friends. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.